Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and today our topic is how to send email using SMTP by Pabbly for Facebook lead ads lead. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to capture that lead detail and I'm going to use that lead detail to automatically send a follow-up email to my new lead. So for sending the email, I'm going to use SMTP by Pabbly, and SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transferring Protocol. So for my objective, I have to build a connection between Facebook lead ads and SMTP by Pabbly. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I need to use the concept of trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use Facebook lead ads. In action application, I'm going to use SMTP by Pabbly. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can send emails using SMTP by Pabbly for Facebook lead ads lead. If you are running a Facebook lead ad campaign, then you know how important it is to follow up with your leads quickly and efficiently. That's where SMTP by Pabbly comes in. So SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is a communication protocol used for sending and receiving email messages over internet. So we are going to use SMTP by Pabbly module to connect with any mail service provider. In this video, we are going to automatically send follow-up emails to new Facebook lead ads lead by using SMTP by Pabbly. And for this, we are going to build a connection and automation between Facebook lead ads and SMTP by Pabbly. And we are going to do this inside Pabbly Connect. So with Pabbly Connect, we are going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills. So let's get started. And for using Pabbly Connect, we need to search for pabbly.com/connect in our browser, and it will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly Connect, then you just have to click on this sign up for free button, and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect. And this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I need to create a new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on this create workflow button. And this window will pop up. Here I need to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to send email using SMTP by Pabbly for Facebook lead ads lead. And now I need to click on create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select Facebook lead ads here. And now I need to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab, and new lead instant will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, and for that I need to click here on this connect button. I will click on add new connection and I will connect with Facebook lead ads. And here my connection is successful as I have already logged into my Facebook account in my browser. So it has detected that. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see I have these two tabs, page and the lead gen form. So first I need to select my page that I want to use and where I am running my Facebook lead ad campaign. So for this, let me take you to my Facebook account. And here I'm going to use this particular Facebook page that is named as Pabbly Connect. So this is my Facebook page where I'm running my ad campaign. So I'm going to use this particular page. So I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And now I need to select my page. So I'm going to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the Facebook pages that I have created in my Facebook account. And here this is going to be my Facebook page. So I'm going to select this. Now I have selected my Facebook page, that is Pabbly Connect, and now I need to select my lead generation form. So for selecting my lead generation form, I need to open this tab, and here I will find all the lead generation forms that are connected with my Facebook page, and I can use any particular lead generation form, but I'm going to use all lead generation forms. So I'm going to select that. And here we have this important note. Please note that after clicking the Save and Send Test Request button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ad form by clicking on the Preview Form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission. So here what I need to do is I need to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that, what I need to do is I need to first create a sample submission. And for creating the sample submission, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. And before creating the sample submission, I need to make sure that my lead generation form is live. Now for getting this webhook response, I'm going to use Meta for Developer. So let me take you to Meta for Developer. Here I will go to More and I will go to Tools. And in Tools, I'm going to use this particular tool of Lead Ads RTO Debug tool. So I'm going to open this. And here again, we have these two tabs, Page and the Form. So first I'm going to select my page. So I'm going to open this tab. And here this is my page that is named as Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select this. And my form is already selected, that is new form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Preview Form button and I'm going to get my form. So I'm going to fill that form with my lead details and I'm going to fill dummy details so that I can create a sample submission. So I'm going to click here. And here this is my form. So I'm going to fill all these details here. So my first name will be demo. Last name will be user, email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com, and now I'm going to give a random phone number. So this is my random phone number and I'm going to give a city. So my city will be Bhopal. And here I have filled all these details in my form. Now I'm going to click on continue. I will click on submit. And here I have submitted this form and I've created this new lead. Now I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. And here in Pabbly Connect, we can see I have received this response. So in this response, I have all the detail of my form submission and I have all the detail of my new lead. So here I have the first name of my lead, that is demo. I have the last name, that is user. I have the email, that is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. I have the random phone number and I have the city, that is Bhopal. Now what I need to do is that as I'm receiving this email address of my lead from this particular response of Facebook lead ad, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this particular email address and now I'm going to send a follow-up email to my lead by using SMTP by Pabbly. So for that, I'm going to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here I'm going to search for my module of SMTP by Pabbly. So I'm going to search for that. So I'm going to select SMTP by Pabbly. And now I need to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send email will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I need to connect SMTP by Pabbly with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And for connecting SMTP by Pabbly, I need to fill all these details. So here I need to fill all these details and here I'm going to give the detail of my mail service provider. So I'm going to fill all these details here. So here I have filled all the detail. Now what I need to do is I need to click on save. I have connected my mail service provider application with SMTP by Pabbly. Now what I need to do is I need to fill all these tabs. So here I need to fill all these details to send an email to my Facebook lead ad lead. So first I need to give a from name. So here I'm going to give the name of my company, that is going to be Pabbly. And this is going to be my sender name. Now I need to give my from email. So I'm going to give my email address from which I want to send this email. So I'm going to type my email address here. And here this is my from email. Now what I need to do is I need to give my to email. So here I'm going to give the email address of my lead that I have received as a response from Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to map my email address here, and for that I need to use mapping. So what mapping is? Mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous steps and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping I need to click here. I will open this response of Facebook lead ads. And here this is the email address of my lead. So I'm going to map this. And now what I need to do is I need to give my email subject. So here my email subject will be, welcome to Pabbly. Here is how we can help you. So this is going to be my email subject. And now I need to give my email body. So here I'm going to give my email content that I want to send as my email to my new Facebook lead ad lead. So here I have to give my HTML body of my email. And for the new line, I can use this code. So I'm going to type my email body here. So this is going to be my email body. And here what I need to do is I need to first clear this bracket. And here in this mail, I need to map the name of my lead. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the response of Facebook lead ads. And here this is the first name of my lead. So I'm going to map this. And I'm going to give a space and I'm going to map the last name. So here this is going to be my email. Hi, the name of my lead. Thank you for your interest in Pabbly. We are excited to connect with you and share how we can help you achieve your goals. At Pabbly, we specialize in automations and integration with 1500 plus applications. If you have any questions or need immediate assistance, please don't hesitate to reply to this email or call. We look forward to helping you achieve great things. Best regards, Team Pabbly. So here I have added all my tags of new line, and here this is going to be my body of my email. Now here I have mapped all the required details, and now as I have mapped these details, I made these details dynamic. Now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ad, then I'm going to receive a new response of that lead, and automatically all these details that I've mapped here are going to get replaced with the new detail in the real time. So I have filled all the required details. Now I'm going to click on Save and Send Test to Quit button. And here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response and I have the status of success. So this means that I have sent this email automatically to my new lead that I have received from Facebook lead ad. Now to check this, let me take you to my mail account. And here on my Gmail account, we can see I have received this new email. So I'm going to open this mail, and here this is my email, and the email subject is Welcome to Pabbly. Here is how we can help you. So here this is my email subject, and my email is Hi Demo User. So this was the name of my lead. Thank you for your interest in Pabbly. We are excited to connect with you and share how we can help you achieve your goals. At Pabbly, we specialize in automations and integration with 1500 plus applications. And if you have any question or need immediate assistance, please don't hesitate to reply to this email or call. We look forward to helping you achieve great things. Best regards, Team Pabbly. So here we can see that automatically, as I have received a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I have sent a follow-up email to that lead by using SMTP by Pabbly. So here by using SMTP by Pabbly module, I have sent this email, and now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then automatically I'm going to send emails to those new leads. So here my connection between Facebook lead ads and SMTP by Pabbly is working successfully, and I have successfully connected my mail service provider by using SMTP by Pabbly. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have successfully created this connection and this automation between Facebook lead ads and SMTP by Pabbly for sending email using SMTP by Pabbly for Facebook lead ads lead. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event was new lead instant. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was SMTP by Pabbly, and my action event was send email. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video.
Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this by using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to reach out to us, then email us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, then you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any issue with the pricing, then you can visit this link. And if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.